Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I need a quick drink of this coffee just to wake up a little bit. I think I need to start drinking coffee out of a straw because I feel like gradually my teeth are going to get yellow and I can't have that in my life, you know? I can't have that. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today's video is my June favorites and I know I'm late. I'm sorry, I've been busy. If you guys didn't see my last video, I did promise to get you guys this video. I know that you guys love these videos. I love them as well. I like to share with you guys some of my current favorites every month, and sometimes I'll do a little beauty, sometimes I'll mix it up and do some random items, and this month we're going random again. Because that's what you guys seem to like, so I thought I'd give you what you guys want to see. So I have some fun things to share with you guys today. Please continue watching if you're excited to see what's on the list. And don't forget to like this video as well and subscribe. Come to my channel, be a part of the family, you know? I appreciate your guys' support as usual, and I love when I see that notification and I get a new subscriber. I get little butterflies every time. Also, just a reminder, don't forget to click the notification bell just so you guys are notified when I do post videos each month. I don't want you guys to miss out, so don't forget to do that. And all right, let's get into the video and let's discuss some fun stuff. To begin, this first item is one of my favorite things to share with you guys this month just because it's so cool. It's an Amazon find and I use it daily. So I think you guys would love this item. I have been trying to increase my water intake lately. I used to be so good at it, you guys. Like when I worked full time, it was just a lot easier for me to bring my water bottle and fill it up at least like 6 times a day. I was so good about it. I was religiously drinking water. Then, I don't know, I kind of fell off the wagon. Like I drink water. I definitely don't drink any soda or any crazy drinks like that. I do have an occasional cocktail on the weekends, coffee, obviously. But I found this item because I was like, you know, I want to drink water more. And I also wanted to get my daughter to drink more water because I feel like it's so easy for them to just grab that Capri Sun, grab that, you know, little juice box and go. But I want her to get those good healthy habits at an early age. So long story short, this is my water dispenser. I love this thing, you guys. I put it in my fridge. There is just constantly cold water for the family. Let me show you guys why I love it so much. Kind of got that mason jar vibe to it, which I think is so cute. And when you unscrew the top, it comes with these little inserts where you can basically put any sort of like fruit, lemons, I love to do lemons, any sort of like fruit that you want to put in the water to give it that natural flavor, you can put in this little insert, which is super cool. I love to do like lemons, I've done strawberries before, but honestly you could do anything. I think it'd be super good to do like cucumber and mint. I think that would be so bomb. But it comes with this little dispenser and you basically just fill the jug up with water and then just place this in there and it kind of gives that natural flavor to the water, which is so cool. And then it also comes with this insert here, which you can actually fill with ice so that it keeps the water cold if you don't want to do any sort of fruit. So it comes with these 2 inserts. I think it was like $30 some on Amazon. And I just love it. I think it's so cool. You can also use it for entertaining, which would be super fun. I think if you have like a dinner party or whatever sort of function you have, you can have this sitting out for your guests and put anything in it, honestly. Well, my daughter loves it because I'll put different sorts of fruit in it and she just thinks it's so yummy. I will link these items that I found on Amazon in the description box below so you guys can check it out. Next up is another Amazon find that I find super useful. So whenever I do my makeup, it's super difficult to keep my hair back because my hair is a little bit unruly. It's a little bit crazy. So I like to just have some sort of headband or something to hold the hair back and to apply my makeup because a lot of the times you'll get like this senator situation going on when you like do a little bronzing and you got a little bit of dust in your hair and you look like you're maybe 80 years old. So I like to have something to kind of cover the front of my hair and allow me just a clean slate to work on the face. Found this on Amazon, and this is basically just a little towel headband situation that you can wrap around your head, and it basically will hold your hair back. So I love to use this too, like when I'm washing my face at night, because every time that I wash my face, it feels like my hair is like falling forward. So I'll put this on and wash the face, apply all my, you know, skin products. Super useful. It comes in a pack of, I believe, like 4, something like that, but I got it on Amazon, super cheap. You can wash them, they're totally reusable. So super useful for not only applying my makeup, but washing my face and, you know, holding those little baby hairs back. This next item I was super excited about when I heard about it. I don't know if you guys have seen any of my videos, but I did review the brand Beauty Counter. I will link one of those videos above if you guys want to check it out. It's basically a brand that promotes healthy beauty, healthy skin, using safe ingredients. A lot of the brands out there, you know, have ingredients that are harmful to our bodies. They're harmful to like hormones. I mean, if you do research or read up about it, there's a lot of stuff in the products we use that affects our body daily. So Beauty Counter is all about that safe ingredients, healthy living, which I can totally appreciate. I love the brand. I love what it's about. I have a good friend that sells it. Her name is Kara, and she is a sweetheart, but she always kind of fills me in on new stuff they have coming out. And I was super excited to hear about this next product. Seeing this Beauty Counter Overnight Resurfacing Peel. This stuff is phenomenal, you guys. It is a serum. Apply it to the entire face at night, and when you wake up in the morning, your skin instantly, pores are smaller, like the texture on your skin is better, it's super smooth, it's a little bit brighter, it just, overall your skin looks glowing, healthy. What I saw most in my results was the surface of my skin, like the texture was a lot better and my pores were smaller. It's always good, ladies and gentlemen, if you watch my video. Serums are so good to have in your skincare routine because they are just concentrated product that soaks into the skin and helps just really give your skin that phenomenal texture, glow, all of that good stuff. If you guys want to try this out, I will link below the information and link to purchase this. I will tell you guys, in comparison to serums that I've used before, this I've seen immediate results with. The other ones, over time, yes. This one, it was just like immediately I woke up and boom, it was looking fresh. The price range, this I felt was very fair. It was, I believe, $60, but in comparison to serums on the market, that is a really good deal. And for the amount of product that you get, it's 1 fluid ounce, that's really good. So it is definitely an investment. I feel like when you're my age, in your 30s, it's something that you want to kind of invest in because ultimately you want to, you know, look younger. I think it's just definitely worth the money. So you guys need to check it out. It is so good. It needs to happen. Next up, this product I was actually super excited about because they reached out to me and asked if I would like to try some of their products. I'd never tried them before, so I was really curious to see how I would like them. Surprisingly, I was really, really happy. This is the Laquer, I believe is how you say it, LondonTown nail products. These are phenomenal. As I obviously get my nails done, but I love to do my own toes, and in the summer you always want to have your feet looking fresh and you always want your nail polish to stay, especially when you're like at the beach or whatever it may be. You just want to know that like your nail polish will stay for a long time. I did try these out and they were so, so good. What's super cool is this one is a Gel Genius top coat. It gives you that gel effect, but you don't have to cure it or do any sort of light situation. You literally just put this on over whatever color you choose as a top coat, and it's super shiny. It makes the nail polish last super long time, and it literally looks like you got a fresh pedicure. And then this is currently on my toes right now. This is the color Radlette, but it's just a cute, really pretty baby pink shade. The other product they sent me was this nail hardener and base coat. So you basically will put this on before you apply any sort of color, and it helps to strengthen the nails. So I'm loving this brand. They're super good. I will link below their website for you guys so you guys can check them out. I'll try to figure out where they sell them too, because I honestly don't know where they're sold or if they're sold like in certain stores, but I will check it out for you guys. Super good though. I love them so far, and I'm just really excited that they sent those to me. Thank you guys for that. So I always love to purchase some sort of journal pad of some sort that I can jot notes in. I like to, you know, write down ideas for videos to do for you guys, or just ideas of like makeup looks. I like to write my goals down. So I think it's super important to always have some sort of journal or something that you can kind of jot down ideas, goals every single day. And I loved this one when I saw it because of the message on the front, make today amazing. I think it's just such a good reminder to just try to be positive every day. You know, it's really difficult sometimes to stay positive, you know, especially when life, you know, grabs us by the balls and really tries to do a number on us. But I love to just have these little things around to remind me to just be happy, be positive, and just like to always put my ideas and goals on paper so that it's always documented and it's always reminding me to just keep pushing, make more goals, and, you know, get where I want to be. If you don't have a journal, if you don't have anything like that, I strongly suggest you get one. I have found that a lot of the goals that I've wrote down in past journals, I'll look back and read them, and it's just cool to see how far I've come and how much of those goals I accomplished. It's just crazy how life works, how when you put goals down on paper and really get specific, how those things are manifested, you know, when you actually take the time to think about like what you want. You guys should get one. It's super good to have. For the next item, this is something that I really appreciate because I do love fashion. That's probably right up there with beauty for me. I love fashion, beauty. So this next item I purchased recently at, I believe it was Nordstrom's, but I love this brand specifically because I feel like the prices are pretty fair and you get a really good quality handbag, but you don't have to spend, you know, $500 if you don't want to. So I recently purchased this little number, and this is the Rebecca Minkoff handbag. What I love about this is not only the color, but isn't the color so fun for summer? I love this like olive green, but the suede is super cute too, and then the gold like detailing, and obviously, you know, the little chain for the strap is super cute, but I love the size of it. I used to wear handbags that were really big, that was like the thing. But now for me, when I'm out and about, I just want to throw my phone in there, some lip gloss, powder, the essential items that I need. I don't really want a huge bag all the time. So I find that this is like the perfect size. It's just pretty simple, and then you have this little tassel here. It's super cute. I think it was around like $130, which isn't too bad for like a designer handbag. I like to have a few, you know, handbags in my collection that are of quality because, you know, you don't want them to just fall apart super easy. And I felt like for that price, I had to have it. I thought it was a really good price in comparison to other handbags out there. It's so cute, and that brand specifically is one of my favorite brands because I love just the style of bags they have and the price point. So if you guys are looking to get cute handbags, Nordstrom's has really good ones on sale right now. You might need to add one to your collection, you know? Treat yourself. All right, lastly, I had to throw in a beauty makeup item. This is the Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. These are so yummy, so beautiful. I'm obsessed. This color is called Sugar Sugar, and it is the perfect pink nude. Look at that shine, look at that color. Can we please appreciate? Anytime I find a nude lip product, you know I be buying it. Guys, it's my first time buying Marc Jacobs lip product, but they are surprisingly really good. Not sticky at all. It gives your lips just like that perfect amount of shine and color. These are so gorgeous. I just love the packaging too. You just feel like a little bit fancy, you know? It's just such good packaging. This is such a beautiful lip gloss. If you guys want to try something new and kind of step out of your comfort zone and try a new brand, Marc Jacobs brand is really good for like lip products, eyeliners, bronzers. Let me just show you guys, hold please, show you guys what this looks like so you guys can appreciate. So pretty, and it has that little bit of like mint smell to it. So I don't know, if you guys don't like mint type smells, you might not like it, but it does have that smell to it. But it's so pretty. It just leaves the lips looking so juicy, glossy, and I'm all about those things. All right, you guys, that is the end of my June favorites. I hope that you guys liked the items that I shared with you today. I thought there were some pretty fun ones in there. I will link below some of these items for you so you guys can check them out yourself. I hope that you guys have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos. I appreciate it. Like this video if you guys liked it, and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.